Alam nyo ba na noon pa lang ay may post na ang mga SB19 fans or 18 hinggil sa nais nila na mag-perform ang SB19 sa Summer Sonic sa Japan? Mula sa naging post ni Annie Bravo noong September 23, 2025. Will SB19 perform at Summer Sonic Japan 2026? A closer look at the possibility of P-pop taking over Japan's premier music festival. As the global wave of P-pop continues to gain momentum, one name stands at the forefront of the movement, SB19. From the early days of breaking barriers in the Philippine music scene to now making international waves, Mahalima potential appearance at Summer Supersonic Japan 2026 is not just a dream, it's an increasingly realistic possibility. This article is based on my personal observation and understanding current events while not official 100% certain. These thoughts are grounded in publicly available facts and developments. Strong industry backing, Sony Music and Mama Sony at the core of SB19's international expansion is their strategic partnership with Sony Music Philippines, led by none other than Miss Roslyn Pineda. As the General Manager of Sony Music Philippines and Vice President of Artist Relations and Business Development for Sony Music Entertainment Asia, Ms. Pineda, fondly referred to as Mama Sony, plays a pivotal role in promoting Filipino talent on the global stage. Her leadership has been instrumental in positioning SB19 for success beyond the Philippines. With her vast network and commitment to elevating OPM original Filipino music, artists like SB19 are finding more doors open across Asia, especially in Japan. Japan leg of the Pagtatag World Tour. The first breakthrough, SB19's first major performance in Japan under their Pagtatag World Tour marked a significant turning point in their international career. The tour brought the group to new audiences and Japan was a key highlight. Their performance there was not just a one-off event, it laid the groundwork for everything that followed. The Pagtatag Japan stop helped plant seeds for future projects and build anticipation for more appearances in the country. It proved that there was strong interest and support for P-pop in Japan, giving both SB19 and 1Z Entertainment a reason to invest further in that market. Simula at wakas Tokyo, building deeper connections. Following the momentum of Pagtatag, SB19 returned with a Simula at wakas tour leg in Tokyo, accompanied by a highly successful CD signing event. These back-to-back efforts reflect a deliberate and strategic move to expand their fan base in Japan, and it's clearly working. SB19 isn't just visiting Japan, they're cultivating relationships, engaging with fans, and solidifying their presence through meaningful experiences and interactions. Cultural and diplomatic support. Adding weight to their efforts is the backing of the Philippine Embassy in Japan, which has been visibly supportive of SB19's appearance and activities. The embassy's promotion of SB19 events signals more than just fanfare. It points to the cultural significance of their presence. This level of institutional support not only helps legitimize their status in Japan, but also strengthens their candidacy for high-profile festivals like Summer Sonic, which often consider both popularity and cultural relevance in their lineups. So, could SB19 be on the Summer Sonic 2026 lineup? While no official announcement has been made, all signs point towards possibility. Backing from a major label with strong regions ties, successful and growing tracks record in Japan, strong fan engagement and sold-out events, governmental and cultural support from the Philippines Embassy, a rapidly growing interest in P-pop. With a rising global demand for diverse Asian music arts, And with Summer Sonic's history of including international rising stars, it's entirely feasible that SB19 could be part of the 2026 lineup. Summer Sonic, Japan. Sa nasabi nga pong post, sinabi niya at kapag nangyari or mangyayari yan, isa sila sa kaabang-abang na performer doon. Mapapawat ang mga bagong audience, mag-trending ang kanilang performance clips, at mag-iiwan sila ng malalim na impresyon sa global music scene. Sisimulan ko ng mag-ipon. At mukhang nakaipon na siya dahil nga ang SB19 ay magpe-perform sa Summer Sonic 2026 sa August 15 na gaganapin sa Tokyo, Japan. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Now. Please like, share, and subscribe.